Hey guys, so getting home is one of my favorite parts of the day. Just knowing that I'm home and I'm safe and I've had a long day and I am like exhausted and tired. So I just come home and take my bag off and take my shoes off. And my favorite thing to do is light candles because I just love a new, fresh scent. And having my house smells good to me is one of it's a must. Like, I hate walking home and my house smells so dull and plain. So I love to light some candles. So now I'm just going to go to the bathroom, and coming home and washing my hands is like one of the important things to me because you're outside all day. And just to see all the dirt on your hands and all of the germs and everything that you have touched within that day. And just having clean skin is really great. So this is time where I take off my lashes, and this is one of the best feelings in the world because it's like you have them on all day, and it's just like no woman knows what it feels like to just come home and just take their lashes off. So I'm going to be using the Burt's Bees in the CVS brand, I believe this is, and I'm just going to take some apple cider vinegar. It says for hair, but I like to use it for my skin. I looked at the ingredients and it just says apple cider vinegar on it. And I just keep this in my bathroom just for extra cleansing, and I use it for when I wash my hair. I use it for washing my hands. I just use it for every little thing. So this is all the makeup that I have on today, and I'm going to be taking my Triple Acne Cleanser Clay Mask because my skin has been breaking out lately, and I'm going to be taking a foundation brush, and I'm going to be using this for my face for tonight. I normally don't do this every single night, but they say you do it once a week, so that way your skin doesn't break out and get rashes and stuff like that using it every single day. So these are just some products here that I like to use for my hair since I cut my hair. Oh my goodness. I've never used so many different products in my life. Like, being natural, you have to find the right products, and I learned that. So these are just some of the products that I use on a day-to-day basis, like an everyday basis. Not all of them, but most of them. And I had found this one product that I love so much, and this is my concoction of my hair growth cream. And I just apply that to my hair when I feel it's necessarily for me to use it. I know I should use it 2 to 3 days a week, but I don't. So this is the product here that I love so much. I found this, and girl, my curls be popping like popcorn, popping. So here's the downtime, and I'm just going to flop on the couch and just watch some YouTube because I don't watch TV. TV is not interesting to me anymore. So I have the Roku home system, and this is great for your family and kids and saving money on cable because I don't watch TV. So I found this young lady named Kais, I can believe her name is. I just recently found her, and her hair is just like mine. So I have fell in love with her. Okay, I fell in love with her. She has the same texture hair as mine. She has the same length of hair as mine. So I was just like, yes. And I was looking for that with the TWA, the teeny weeny afro. And I was like, I can never find anyone like with my short hair. Everybody else hair is like, growing out and all of that stuff. So, or the hair texture was like really, really pretty, and it wasn't like mine. So, I like to write in my journals. I have about 4 of them. So I have one for every different thing. One is for YouTube. This is my story. This is like my journal, like my diary. Fake it until you make it. This is like my visions and my other stuff like that. And then this one is my new book that I recently picked up, and that's for my cooking channel, like what I want to do as far as my cooking channel, things that I want to make, maybe recipes and stuff like that. This is my journal where this is my story. So this is where I come and write to God, and I write like prayer notes, maybe some visions. If I want to just talk to God, I'll just write it out and I'll stick it in my Bible and stuff like that. So I've picked up this interesting thing from my job, and I love it. It's an in-home garden. It's called the Arrow Garden, and they give you little seed pots, and they have different things. So the big ones here are for tomatoes, and then the smaller ones are for different other little things. So now I'm just back in the bathroom, and I'm just going to cleanse my face from the acne mask. It dries up. It doesn't get hard, but it does dry up. So now I'm just taking the Clinique Acne Solution Clearing Gel, and I love this. This is amazing. Like if you have like little acne spots on your face or bumps that just popped up out of nowhere, this is great. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.